A very good morning, dear children. I hope you all are fine and safe with your family. Students, today in English we will be learning a new lesson. Lesson number is 3.2 and name of the lesson is Compare a Program. A comparer. So before I begin with this lesson, I need to tell you all what is the meaning of comparer. Comparer means, students, a person who introduce the people and programs on stage during a function. We can also call as a presenter. So, a comparer is an official host of a ceremony, a stage event or program. Comparing a program holds great importance as the success of a program largely depends on the way it is compared. The lesson Compare a Program is a piece of comparing that serves as a model for students to compare official stage events in their school. So here, students, we begin with our lesson. So the first you can see it is given as getting ready for the program. Good morning, friends. It is a pleasure for me to welcome you all to this festive occasion. Festive means what, student? It means joyous. Please take your seats. May I request you to keep your mobiles switched off or on silent mode. So before I move ahead, students, I would like to ask you all a question. Why you think that why comparer request your audience to switch off their mobile phones? So what could be the reason? The reason is the comparer requests the audience to switch off their mobile phones so that they can give undivided attention to the creative expression of the youngsters. Okay, students, so they cannot divert their mind in the mobile phones. So either they can switch off their mobile phones or they can keep it in the silent mode. Let us ring into the merry mood of youthful creative expressions and forget our preoccupations. Preoccupations means what, students? It means the condition of being engrossed with something. Okay, where we are busy doing something else. So that is the meaning of the term preoccupations. And ringtones for the time being. I hope, students, this much must be clear with everyone. Moving ahead. Next sequence is, students, arrival of dignitaries. Dignitaries means what, students? Important personality. Okay. So, how it begins now? I am happy to announce that the dignitaries have arrived. I request you all to be seated. I request our head girl, Miss Subhadra Murarka, to escort the dignitaries to the dais. Escort means what, students? It means to accompany someone somewhere. And dais, it means a stage. Okay, students? So whenever the dignitaries arrive, as giving a respect, what we do? We stand in our place. Okay? So here also comparer is telling that dignitaries has already been arrived and now you all can be seated. After that, she requests head girl Miss Subhadra Murarka to escort the dignitaries to the dais. Next, commencement of the program. Honorable chief guest of today's function and an artist of great renown. Renown means what, students? It means having name and fame. Renown, Sri Charudatta Diwan, President of Balanand Education Society, Sri Abdul Pathak, our Principal, Dr. Ajinkya Parakhi, Vice Principal, Dr. Shaila Singh, all our invited guests, parents, teachers and my dear friends. On behalf of Balanand Vidyalaya, I extend a hearty welcome to you all. Hearty welcome means what, students? It means cheerful welcome. Okay? Hearty welcome. We have gathered here for the inauguration of our school art festival. So why everyone have been gathered over here? Because it is the inauguration of our school art festival. Moving ahead. Lighting the lamp. So the next sequence is of the program is, students, lighting the lamp. Let us begin this auspicious. Auspicious means what, students? It means favorable. Let us begin this auspicious occasion with something symbolic. Symbolic means serving as a symbol. Symbolic of knowledge and learning. And for this, I would like to request all the honorable members on the dais to kindly light the traditional lamp and offers prayers. Okay, students, so what now the comparer is saying? Comparer is saying now we are going to, comparer is requesting that all honorable members on the dais to kindly light the traditional lamp and offer prayers. Okay, students, so whenever we begin with any new thing, first always we do the same thing. We light the traditional lamp and then we offer prayers, and then the programs begin, students. Okay, moving ahead. Friends, look at the amazing quality of this lamp. When lit, not only does it carry the tremendous potential to break the darkness of the night, but also leaves way for 1,000 other lamps to be lit from its flames. Likened to the lamp is knowledge. Knowledge too spreads light. It neither divides nor subtracts. It only adds and multiplies. Okay, students? So what it means that if you are sharing our knowledge, it definitely what happen? It keeps on adding and it keeps on multiplying. Miss Anagha Bhatia of Standard 7th and her group will now sing the school song. So moving ahead, students, next sequence of the program is welcome and introduction of the guest. Atiti Devo Bhava. What it means? It means a guest is equivalent to God. Our Indian culture regards guests as gods. Yes, students, it's correct. We all believe that guests are nothing else as God. Let us welcome and honor our distinguished guest. Distinguished means what, students? It means very successful. So as commencement of the program got over, then lighting of the lamp get over, now we begin with the welcoming and introduction of the guest. That means we are giving a brief information about the guest who has arrived in this program. It is indeed our proud privilege to have amidst us a very eminent personality. Eminent means what, students? It means famous and respected. Eminent personality from the field of art and culture, renowned artist, a painter of international repute and proud recipient of many prestigious awards. President of Kala Ranjan Academy, Shri Charu Datta Diwan. I would request our principal to welcome him by offering a token of love and appreciation, books, 2 volumes of cherished leaves of great artist. We are offering books because flowers might perish, but books can stay forever. Thank you, sir. I would now request the convener of this art festival, our art teacher, respected Miss Shilpa Sankhani, to welcome the beacon of our institution. Beacon means what, students? It means important and respected person who is source of inspiration to others. The president of Balanand Academy, Mr. Abdul Pathak, I would now request our school captain and cultural in charge, Miss Subhadha Murarka, to welcome our ever-inspiring, dynamic means what, students? Dynamic means a person who is positive in attitude and full of energy and new ideas. Inspiring dynamic principal, Dr. Ajinkya Parakhi sir. Our enthusiastic vice principal will be welcomed by Miss Anagha Bhatia. Thank you, dear Anagha. Okay, students. So, what we have learned in this video today? We have learned how to compare a program. We have also learned, it is a message for everyone, that we need to encourage everyone to conduct such kinds of program. Okay, students, so we learned how we need to use our vocabulary. We have also learned how we should be formal. We have also learned how we should use polite language, which can be used during such kinds of events. So I hope, students, this much must be at least clear with everyone. I hope you all must have enjoyed, and if any doubt is there during this video which you have been watched, I request you all to again go through the video. Till the time, thank you so much and stay safe. A very good morning, dear children. I hope you all are fine and safe with your family. Students, today in English, we will be continuing with our same lesson, that is lesson number 3.2, and name of the lesson is Compare a Program. The lesson Compare a Program is a piece of comparing that serves as a model for students in compare official state events in their school. Right from instructions to the audience to inviting dignitaries for introductory talk, prize distribution, speech, etc., the comparer can be termed as face of the program. The students also need to notice the formal polite language and vocabulary used during such events. In our previous video, we have completed with welcome and introduction of the guest. So now moving ahead with the next one, that is introductory speech. To appraise you about the art festival, I request the principal, respected Dr. Ajinkya Parakhi, to deliver his introductory speech. Appraise means what, students? Appraise means to give information. Okay, so your comparer is just requesting principal sir to just give introductory speech. Next, book release. Friends, we have prepared here a volume comprising photograph. Comprising means what, students? Consist of. Okay, so comprising photographs of all the beautiful and unique pieces of art which are displayed today in the auditorium. So what is the meaning of auditorium, students? It means it is the part of a theater in which audience sit. Okay, so your unique piece of art are being displayed in the auditorium. They are the artistic and skillful contribution from the students. That means who all have prepared all this? It is been made by the students. Okay, I request the chief guest to release this special book on this occasion and formally inaugurate the art festival. Thank you, sir. I know this has aroused curiosity in you to see the exhibition. After this program, you can take that pleasure. So your principal sir has just deliver his introductory speech. He has told about book release. Now moving ahead with the next one, that is cultural program. I know you all are eagerly waiting to listen the gems of music from our school. We now invite this talented band of musicians to display their talent. We proudly present the Tal Kacheri. Okay students, display means what? To show. Tal Kacheri means it is a kind of a music concert. Okay students, so the next program which will be continuing now is cultural program. Sahil of standard 10th A will give a vocal rendition and the same piece will be demonstrated on different instrument. So what Sahil will be doing? Sahil of standard 10th A will be giving a vocal rendition. Rendition means what student? It means performance. Okay. And the same piece will be demonstrated on different instruments. Let's enjoy the Tal Kacheri. Varsha on Mridagam, Vivek on Dholak, Zubeen on Tabla and Govind on Ghatam. Let us have a big round of applause for the excellent demonstration. Different states display their unique identity through their respective culture. Standard 7C will now give a beautiful presentation of the famous Koli dance from Maharashtra. So as and when students Tal Kacheri performance gets over, immediately after that there is another performance from standard 7C on Koli dance. What a wonderful presentation. Now a light comedy play will be presented by standard 9C. So 9C students, what are they preparing? They are coming up with comedy play. Okay. So this what is being read out. I would like to request standard 9 artists to perform their play The Boy Comes Home by A. Milne. That was indeed a fantastic performance. Next program is students prize distribution. You are all eagerly waiting for the prize distribution. Okay. So what it is that everyone are waiting for prize distribution. There are butterflies in your stomachs. Okay. So what it means? It is nothing but it is an idiom. It means to be anxious and nervous. Why everyone are anxious and nervous? Because they are not aware whether their names are being called out or not. Okay, so everyone wants that even they should get a prize in front of everyone. So it has been given here, there are butterflies in your stomach. You will soon be relieved of your anxiety. Anxiety means what student? Uneasiness. Okay, students are very anxious. They just want to know whether their names are being called out or not. Everyone is unique in his or her potential. All are talented. Yes, but some do perform better and their talent needs to be appreciated. I would now invite the chief guest to declare the prize winners and give away the prizes for the different categories of art. Thank you, sir. Okay, students. So this was about prize distribution. Next is address by the chief guest. I would now request our illustrious means what students? Respected, we can also call as well known. Okay. So I would now request our illustrious chief guest to address the audience. Okay. Now, thank you, sir. Your speech has given us wonderful insights on various aspects of art and culture. Insights means what students? It means understanding of something. We are immensely grateful to you for your invaluable words of enlightenment. Vote of thanks. So when we come to the end of the program, students, we say about vote of thanks. We can also call as thank you speech. Before we draw the curtain, I take the opportunity to thank all those who have lent a helping hand to make this art festival meaningful, and for the formal vote of thanks, I invite the convener of this program, our art teacher, Miss Shilpa Sanghani. Okay, students, so what is the meaning of lent? Lent a helping hand means to help someone to do something. Okay, students, so here at the end there is vote of thanks, and here we come with the end of this lesson. So before we come to the end of the lesson, I would like to ask you all a question, students. Do you think such programs inspire children? Yes, I think such programs inspire students. Mark Twain has rightly remarked, thousands of geniuses live and die undiscovered, either by themselves or by others. Such programs help students to realize their potential and serves as a platform to showcase their hidden talents. Appreciation in the form of award, trophy further encourage them to do even better. All in all, the art festival was a grand success, underlining the importance of co-curricular activities in school. So students, here we complete of our this lesson. We come to know about minute details which we have to keep in mind when we compare a program. I hope students, you all must have enjoyed this lesson. I request you all to again watch the video if anything is unclear. Till the time, stay safe and thank you so much.